Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the theme on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows button that says Start and select Settings from the list. Select Personalization on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to go select Themes. At this point, you go ahead and select various Windows themes that they are offering. So just as a package deal. And you can also select more themes from the Microsoft Store as well. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.